Hello, me mobi biara akwaba eba Ambertech TV. And now unim say WhatsApp the new update aba. Now you can add two accounts on one WhatsApp platform and say app eso. Yes. Yen hwɛ. Sisi omo do mu two bar no so aba asie honomo. Nti first of all bo u profile no so. Ubo u profile no so a edo beba ha. Locate sa small arrow na wo asie hom na boso. Uboso a ebema option say add account. When you tap on the add account, edo beko previous menu a ɛhɔ na ɛbɛkyerɛw sɛ bɔ wo number ɛhyɛ hɔ. Te sɛ first timer biribiara no. Yes, na ɛde aba hɔ. So you agree to it. You enter your telephone number or the number you want to use as your WhatsApp account. No, are you getting it? This is a new update. Megidi say number now person biara register WhatsApp no. Okay. Oba no confirm say you number na verification code mbeba na why enter area to say number now dey na wo phone mo dey da automatic verification. What set up account no. I getting it. I say me didn't know how did I know my boss. Na nke say me de me picture no to but my fan to so by actually ni am fan to way but o profile net so o profile no so no abo picture no so no a change picture no no de o picture na say anything na person dey we say no dey at all so what I say first cry so we update aba me gidi say ebeboa obi biara na say unya sa update we ya mensuru kra say o check na say unya update we ya mensuru two ways e wo ha ubenya sa update e wo phone so first of all no make sure say ube update o WhatsApp no. Okay, ube update o WhatsApp no. So update o WhatsApp no na say still na wenya I'll take you to a site. Okay, I'll take you to a site. Now, why then? Work checking it out. Ewo honomo. Now, alright. So update to phone na still na wenya. WhatsApp na still na wenya. Phone so. But modern ako sa site we are made rectangle at honomo no. I'm misraw. Cause our site no. Na tap on the first link. Okay. Tap on the first link. We tap on the first link. Then straight up you go to WhatsApp beta. WhatsApp beta. Any no tap so. Asand we click so. Okay. We click so. Edo beko download section hono. I getting it. Edo beko download section. To download no ene wo hono. So you tap on download. Then you are good to go. I get it. Maybe you tap on download. I can download again because of say me ma downloaded the antenna about download again. You see, so you download. Let's go to details. That's it. Downloading. I get it. Till we are no aboson. Now why installing? That's all. You have updated your WhatsApp. So you just go back to your WhatsApp app.